Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I have not posted a video since a very long time. So today I am going to share with you a packing essential video for my upcoming trip to Mexico. Here is the travel adapter that I used in Mexico. It is very much needed because when we were coming from India we bought this, and in Canada it has served the purpose, so I will highly suggest you to take this with you. If you're coming from Canada, US, you might ignore this. This may look like a huge number of items, but if you'll see closely, we on a daily basis we need these items like some lipsticks, moisturizer, sunscreen, serum for face, serum for hair, makeup remover. I packed some swimsuits, some t-shirts, sundress, a pair of shorts, a light jacket because sometimes it gets chilly in Mexico, and some extra tops and skirts. For toiletries, I took a toothbrush, toothpaste, bug spray, and then I packed some shampoo, conditioner, face wash, and body wash. From toiletries, I also took some makeup essentials, but it can vary from person to person. I packed a lot because I was very much excited for this trip and I wanted to look really good. I also packed some earrings, very smaller one. You can keep it according to your choice. You can. I packed a pair of shoes, one flip flop, and one sandal. And a very small hack I used here by stuffing some socks and some undergarments in the shoes, so it saved some space here. Check the weight also before taking the luggage with you. Make sure you have everything that you need, and you do not exceed the baggage limit. And you should also take a look at the baggage requirement from the airlines. Do not forget to carry your passport or the PR or work permit document with you, because on when they will be doing the security check, not the security check at the immigration, they can ask you for these documents. Wallet, sunglasses, and reusable water bottle. I also packed a very small first aid kit, band-aid, pain relievers. Once again, I will summarize everything. Don't forget your sunscreen, beach towel, swimsuit, sunglasses, hats, flip flops, water bottle, beach bag, portable charger, and a happy mind. Thank you so much for watching, and for more upcoming videos, please subscribe and press the bell icon.